every man straight before him. And they took the city. Moving on to James 5:13. Is any among you afflicted? Let him pray. Is any merry? Let him sing psalms. And my final scripture is going to be 1 Corinthians 10:13. There hath no temptation taken you, but such as is common to man. But God is faithful, who will not suffer you to be tempted above that you are able, but will with the temptation also make a way to escape, that ye may be able to bear it. So if you notice in the first couple of scriptures that I read, people release a sound. So my topic on today, if I can just have a few minutes, is going to be the sounds of victory.
Amen.
So oftentimes in life we're faced with trials and obstacles, but I can tell you this right now, the devil wants you to shut up.
Yes, he does.
He wants to discourage you from making the victorious sounds that brings forth breakthroughs in your life. You see, my sounds might be different from your sounds. One of Valerie's sounds might be praying. One of Jessica's sounds might be singing. And Pastor Mosley's sound might be preaching. But whatever it is, just make sure you aren't quiet. For example, you might have a situation where you have an abuser and a victim. And oftentimes, and it could be, the victim could be abused emotionally or physically, and oftentimes the abuser will tell the victim to be quiet. They tell you, the abuser will tell the victim to shut up, don't tell anybody. See, that's the same thing that the devil wants to do. He wants you to shut up, he wants you to be quiet. He doesn't want you to make the victorious sound that God created you to make. So, the devil tried to shut me up. I'm just going to give you my story. Back in August of 2016, I didn't really tell anyone, but I got laid off from my job. I didn't know what I was going to do. All I knew was that God was going to make a way somehow. I would pray, I would sing, and I would tell my situation that you have to change. I knew God was going to find me a job, and that my present circumstance had to line up with the words that I was speaking over my life. So August came and went. I had interviews, no offer, but I was still praying. September came and went. I had interviews, no offer, but I was still singing. October came and went. I had interviews, no offer, but I was still speaking the victory over my life. So then November came, and I get a call from the company that I interviewed with back in October. And they said, you know what? We're not going to consider you for the job that we interviewed you for because you're overqualified. But since we like your personality, we like your qualifications and your skills, so we're going to create a job just for you. You guys know that when you let the victorious sound come out, the devil has got to get off your back. The devil has got to flee from your situation. And you know what's the last 30 seconds I want everybody to sing of my message, and I want you to take out 30 seconds and release the sound that God has created you to give a victory over your life. And I'm going to pray, and when I count to 3, I want you to do it. 1, 2, 3. Father, I pray right now that you will do that. I pray right now that you take the gift of the enemy over every broken sound, God. I pray right now that you will do the sound of prayer. God, I pray right now that you will do the sound of singing, shouting, and dancing. Satan, you are a liar. You have no place in here. I bind the spirit of depression. I bind the spirit of fornication. I bind the spirit